Impact of changing immigration policies on IRC clients. Frequently asked questions. The IRC has created resources for clients in the US. We hope this helps people better understand their rights and the immigration process. However, this information is not a substitute for legal advice from a qualified attorney or accredited representative. Note: the provided information is accurate as of January 24, 2025 and may change rapidly due to further policy changes and/or court decisions. On January 20, 2025, President Donald Trump issued a series of executive orders that called for stricter immigration enforcement and increased deportations. An executive order is a signed, written, and published command from the President of the United States that has the same effect as a law. Federal agencies have since issued further guidance implementing some of these orders. Every person's immigration case is unique. Please speak to an immigration lawyer or Department of Justice accredited legal representative about your options. Are you unsure about how your immigration status could be affected by the new U.S. government? Below is some general information and guidance. How would the new immigration policies affect me? I am an asylee or refugee. Am I at risk of losing my protection or being deported based on these new policies? No. As an asylee or refugee, you have been granted indefinite protection by the United States. You cannot be placed in deportation proceedings unless you have committed fraud, misrepresentation, returned to your home country, or committed certain criminal offenses. If any of these may apply to you, you should speak to an immigration lawyer or DOJ accredited legal representative to assess your risks. Asylees and refugees should seek assistance from an immigration attorney or accredited representative to apply for adjustment of status, a green card, as soon as possible upon completing 1 year of physical presence in the United States. You should always carry proof of your asylee or refugee status with you. If you are stopped by law enforcement and are asked about your immigration status, you should show them proof of your asylee status, which is the grant of asylum and or a work permit. If you have refugee status, show proof of entry as a refugee document or a work permit. What documents should I carry with me? Please note, we recommend carrying original documents or paper copies with you at all times. Make sure you have extra copies in a safe place at home. If you are a refugee, not yet a permanent resident, carry the following documents: your I-94 and or your work permit. If you're an asylee, carry the following documents: your approval of status, the I-94, and or your work permit. There's a travel advisory for individuals who are not lawful permanent residents or U.S. citizens. This includes asylees, refugees, TPS holders, and parolees. Because the U.S. government is currently assessing potential travel bans, it is strongly recommended that individuals who have not yet obtained lawful permanent status, a green card, not leave the United States until there is more clarity on whether travel bans will be issued or and for which countries, or until you have obtained your LPR status, your green card. Please be advised that there are immigration checkpoints within the United States within 100 miles of the border within Mexico or Canada. If traveling domestically, avoid traveling to these areas. For more information about new immigration policies and Know Your Rights resources, please visit us on our website at www.ircnj.org.